A ball of mass m moving at a speed v makes a head-on collision with an identical ball at rest. The kinetic energy of the balls after the collision is 3/4 of the original. Find the coefficient of restitution. So we were having a ball of mass m moving to the right with a velocity v, and we had a ball at rest of mass m. Then they collide and then they move ahead with the velocities v1 and v2, and we have the transition state where they collide, and here we have been asked to calculate the coefficient of restitution, and we know that coefficient of restitution is velocity of separation upon velocity of approach. Now velocity of separation is basically v2 minus v1 upon velocity of approach, which is this, that is v. Also we have been given the kinetic energy is 3/4 times of the original, so I can write it as 3/4 of half mv square is equals to half m v1 square plus half m v2 square. Cancelling the factor of half m from both the sides, we get v1 square plus v2 square equal to 3v square by 4. Now let us square or complete the square over here. So we get v1 plus v2 whole square minus twice of v1 v2 equals to 3v square by 4, and let us square over here, so we can write it as r square v square equals to v1 square plus v2 square minus 2 v1 v2. Now friends, we can since there is no external force, we can apply the conservation of momentum here. So if I mark the equations as this being the first equation, the conceptual equation I should say, this being the second one in which we applied the kinetic energy relation. So we will have one more relation, the third one, which is basically mv equals to mv1 plus mv2. Cancelling the factor of m, giving us the relation v equals to v1 plus v2. So I can put v over here and write it as v square minus twice of v1 v2 equals to 3v square by 4. Now take the value of v1, rather minus 2 v1 v2 from here and put it over here, right? And we have the value of v1 square plus v2 square to be 3v square by 4. So we can write it as r square v square equals to 3v square by 4 minus v square by 4, giving us r square to be 2 by 4, or the coefficient of restitution to be 1 by root 2. So this is what was asked in the question.